This is the rear mark. Since Monday. It's arrived.
Ne vous y méprenez pas, ce véhicule qui circule dans les rues de Montpellier avance sans chauffeur. Un robot 100% électrique, 100% autonome, expérimenté par une entreprise française. Il pourra très bientôt débarquer devant chez vous.
Searching for a parking spot. After all passengers have exited the vehicle, you can check the driver. Have you activated social distance from the vehicle?
This is a world's first. Audi has now introduced projected turn signals into their cars. You can see, comes from there, goes to the ground, and right there, more projections. Open the door, bop, bop, bop. That's your welcome rug. When I close this, those are my projected light ceremonies. That is my projected magic boot opener. I just made that up, but that is what it does. Interior time. I love this seat design with the ambient light down the middle. Of course, 3 rows now. Huge curved touchscreen display. This is now 12.3 inches on the passenger, the biggest ever in an Audi. That's your interaction light. So for example, if I turn, you'll see it goes green. This is the first ever Audi Q9.
Listen to me good. I don't know if this robot is an AI robot or if it's a real robot. But if this is a real robot, not an AI robot, we got a problem on our hands, ladies and gentlemen. We got a problem on our hands. This is a real robot. Because robots shouldn't be doing this kind of stuff.
Pre-war flock cameras still feed the machine. If one marks you, break sight and take cover. The trolls are already moving. Stay calm, cut the feed, and leave the area. Remember, if the camera sees you, the wasteland will too.
Mais quelle horreur! Après l'inhumation, après la crémation, voici l'aquamation. On vous met dans un cercueil en ferraille, on vous met dans une espèce d'eau alcaline et on vous cuit comme un pot-au-feu. Alors le cercueil se balance comme ça, de droite à gauche, et puis vos chairs quittent vos os, donc ça vous transforme en une espèce de boue, de sauce noire. Je suis choquée, je crois. Et à la fin, il ne reste plus que vos os qu'on va finir par broyer.